Welcome back to another episode. Today on the B&B fam, we're actually fishing here at a river in Medina, Texas, and we're gonna see what we can hook up with. It's gonna be a great video. We're gonna use some live bait. We're just basically gonna be using all around. We may use the new Googan Squad lure. We may use the new Googan Squad jerk bait. We'll see. We got a whole new surprises for you guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be an absolute good one. Today we got the windbreaker. I'm gonna be showing you what we're gonna be using here. We're gonna be using these night crawlers right here on this little hook right here. We're going for anything at this point. We're going for perch, catfish. We saw a bunch of schooling catfish. I actually ran to Walmart really quick to get some of this new live bait because we actually saw a ton of schooling catfish, a ton of carp. I've never caught a carp before, and we've also saw a huge bass. It was up there as a 6-pound, guys. So this video is going to be action-packed. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's going to be great. You guys better stick around. That's what we're using today. Bait, baby. Let's go. On. Oh, yes, catfish. Oh, yes. Dude, heck yes. Let's go, boys. First cast. Oh my gosh. There's no way. Holy crap, a nice size one too. Let's go, boys. First cast. I don't know how much of that I got on video. Heck yes. Should be good. That's a biggins. Let's show the camera here. Oh, look at that. Absolute chomper. Yeah, they're healthy. All right, boys, looks like it's gonna be a successful day. Successful day. We're going in for round 2 here. Heck yes, that's crazy. Very first cast. That was a biggins too. Biggins, boys. Absolute giants. Got one. Let's get it on. Whoa. It's time. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my God, it's a huge one. Oh my God. Hey, it's a bass. Hey. No way. Yes, sir. Oh, it choked it. It's in my eye and shit. My God, it's in his throat. This buddy ain't gonna make it. Bait or dinner. Right. Oh, it's big. Whatever it is. Got him. Oh, is that a bird? Yeah. Got him. Wait, is that bass still down there? No. Just let me put that on. Okay. Secured bag. I feel like I should cut him. Oh, Brad. Big one. Oh my God. It's a 5. Dude, it's massive. It's huge. Oh, dude. Let's go. Hell yes. Ripped me in like a chump on that live perch, dude. It's a chunky. Got it on video too. Hell yes. What do you think, weight-wise? It looks like a spotted bass, actually. Like 2. Yeah. Not even worth a weigher. Lost my perch, though. 5! I just wanted to get you over here. That was a good ender. A little chunky. Off he goes.